If you're still chasing deal after deal just to stay afloat, you're doing real estate the hard way. In this video, I'll show you a better way in 3 simple steps on exactly how we do it. This is a game, guys. You don't buy something until it's paid for passively. I'm going to show you how we think about the game and how we play it. I'm going to show you guys a deal now to where it creates $500 in passive income, or this one actually creates about $655 in passive income. And if I wanted something that cost $600 a month, say a vehicle cost me $600 per month, I would not buy that car or truck, since I'm a truck guy, until it cash flows $600 per month. Guys, I'm going to show you exactly how this deal, I use real deals to where you can look them up, purchase prices and all that good stuff. Do not think you have to know every single mechanics. I am showing you guys the cake. In my apprenticeship, I teach you the recipe. Okay, let me show you guys this deal. Purchase price. I bought this home for $75,000. I did $20,000 in repairs to it, which makes me an all-in of what? $95,000. The ARV on this home was $140,000. I then sold this home with owner financing for $159,000. Remember, we can sell them higher because of supply and demand. I got a down payment of $10,000. My mortgage for my new buyer now is $149,000. We always sell around 10% interest. 10%, making the payments $1,307. Now, I bought that house with cash, so I raised the money from a private money lender. So I need to refinance this. Trav, I wonder how you refinance a home when you've owner financed it. We'll cover that later, guys. We do this every day, all day. This is my favorite way to do it. So then we refinance. How does this work? So it appraised for $140,000, right? Just like the ARV. Remember, guys, I'm showing you the cake. I teach you the recipe later. We usually get around 70 or 75% cash out, which is $98,000. My interest rate in today's environment is 7%. Boy, oh boy, think about how good these deals are going to be when those rates go down, which makes my payment $652. So how do we do? So I always calculate this as profit. Remember, we get paid 3 ways if you guys have watched my videos. Down payment, note equity, and then cash flow. So hopefully you guys are watching on my screen. My down payment is my difference in what I pulled out and what I collected. And so my down payment is $13,000. So I made $13,000 on this deal. That's a great day. My note equity is the difference in my note down here and the new note I created with my buyer, which is $51,000. So I always like referencing back to this. Remember, my net worth just went up $51,000 because of this. How do we do on cash flow? We get $655 per month for 30 years. Net, not after repairs or whatever type of stuff. True net cash flow. Love them, guys. This is why we do these deals. This is very predictable. It is very systematic, and we have proven this process. This is exactly how I play the financial game in real life. I hope you all get to experience this as well. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel now. We give away all kinds of things on this YouTube channel. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment. I try to respond to everyone. And if you guys don't know Jesus or real estate, I couldn't suggest you know both more.